intelligent maize floor processing, automatic production line. Design principle: safety, environmental protection, energy conservation, high efficiency. Maize transported to unloading pit by truck. Lifted and conveyed to vibro separator for cleaning of impurities. Conveyed to storage bin. Magnetic separated to removal metal impurities. After vibro separator, material circulating in air separator to be cleaned impurities. Folding to distorter, moving circles. By elevator to floor meter after dampening into storage bin. Lift to peeling machine and degermination, then to storage bin. Folding to hammer mill. Material enters the grain bin through the magnetic separator. Grinding by roller mill, then graded by square plant sifter. Grading and sifting floor of different grades. Finished products conveyed to magnetic separator. Packed and weighed by automatic packing machine, then into storage bins. The equipment adopts a series of scientific research achievements such as International Advanced Pulse Dust Removal Technology,